Hey guys, welcome back to NIBU Tech, and today in this video I'm going to show you what's inside this 1.5 volt EVEREADY clock battery. So in the last video I have shown what's inside a 9 volt battery, so I have got a comment to show what's inside this battery. So let's begin now. Here I have a empty 1.5 volt battery, and I'm going to open this. And as I said in last video, please don't try to open an unempty. If the battery have any charge, then don't try to open that battery. It's dangerous. Sometimes it may blast, I don't know. And so here I'm opening it, but I don't know what's all the parts of this. I mean, what's inside this battery. I don't know. I'm opening this first time. So here we go. It's not like the last battery. Its outer covering is very hard. I have trimmed those parts because it takes minute time. So here outer covering is very hard. God, just look at here. Outer covering is very sharp also, and it is into my hand. Now it's bleeding. Okay, don't mind. Let's continue. Here I have removed the outer covering, and I don't know really, but I think it's zinc. And so I have to remove this positive charging thing, positive side. Okay, this knife I used to melt plastic with this knife. So I'll take compass. Knife is knife is not useful. Okay, I remove this, and also the negative charging inside. It's very hard. Really, I don't know what's inside this battery. I mean, as I said, I'm opening this first time. Sorry, I'm opening this first time, and also I don't know the things inside this battery. So we'll just look. Okay. So I have removed the outer plastic cover, and let's see what's inside. Okay. And I think the next layer is paper. It's like paper. Okay, I'm tearing the paper, and I think carbon is inside this battery. Last time we have so what's inside a 9 volt battery, that was carbon, and as same I think here also the carbon is inside, and that was in different boxes. Here no boxes. So I'm going to break this carbon piece. Just see. Okay, I broke the carbon, and here something is inside this, in between the carbon. I think it's like problem. I mean lead, pencils lead. Okay, we will break all the carbon, and we'll see what's that material. I broke all the carbon, and I'm taking that thing out and I'm writing in that book, and let's see, is that valid? Okay, just like, oh my god, it seems like lid. I can write with this first, like, then comment, share, and finally subscribe for more videos. Okay, finally one piece of carbon and rocket, and it's done. So now you saw what's inside a 1.5 volt battery, and I don't know, but I think it's carbon and zinc. Okay, bye.